Okay, so in addition to posts and creating events, creating a group, asking people to join, the other thing you can do to attract people to your Facebook page organically is to create polls. Ask people questions, throw it out there, and let people come back to you. And then you can get them to like your Facebook page or go to your website as well. So it's a great way of getting people back to your web page if you have a lot of friends and friends of friends that share things all the time. So I'm starting off on my Facebook business page for this one. Okay. And I just type in the word poll up here. So I come up here and I search Facebook for poll. And of course, there's a whole pile of little apps that you can use to create a poll. Okay. So I've clicked on poll. As you can see, there's different groups. There's all sorts of different things you can do. And I've come in here and started creating a poll. Okay, so I've this prepared already. So I come in, it says polls for page. So I've started asking questions, and this is one I'm going to throw out there. So do you connect with friends on Facebook? So that might be, instead of connect with friends on Facebook, if it's a question rather than a statement, is maybe the word do you connect with friends on Facebook? Okay, so then I come down here, I'm going to leave it as multiple choice. I had to create these as I went along. Your option is text, text, drop down list, scale of 1 to 5, and so on. Yes, no, and save it. And I've put these in as mandatory questions. Now you can also duplicate each question or delete it if you don't want it. Then I've put the next question: is Facebook your first choice of connecting with friends? If no, what is your first choice? So on that one, I'll edit it. And instead of putting in a multiple choice, I put in a text box and then free text in a single line so that they can actually answer the question. So poll is a little bit like a survey. It's the same thing. And then I use the social media apps. So for this question, I created a checklist option here, and then I can add all of these boxes in under the checklist. So you get two by default, and then as you need more, you come down, you keep clicking add option, or add other. Okay, so if I add other here, then participant answer, and then you can actually add an answer in under other as well. Okay, so now this wouldn't be something that you would give to people who doesn't use Facebook. This poll is going up on Facebook. So then, have you got a business? Yes, no. Have you got a business page? Yes, no. Would you like some help developing your business page? Into your email. If your answer is yes, we will be in touch. So we will be in touch when? We'll be in touch within the next 3 days, maybe. Okay, so put in a SMART goal around it. Be very clear about when you're going to be in touch. And that's going to be a text box as well. And the data type is put in your email. And then I have please like our Facebook page and add the poll to your Facebook page to enable the like button. Okay, so that's the next thing we're going to do, add the poll to our Facebook page. So first of all, I'm going to preview it. Okay, and here's my poll here. And you only get a few of these free, then you've got to start paying for them. So you just kind of find various apps to do that. So poll title, do you like Facebook too? I like black and white. So I'm going to leave it at that. And the green one then is submit. The highlight color is that. All on the same page. That's perfectly fine. And do I want it for phone? I think I should have it for phone. Yeah, there's probably more people going to contact me by phone than it is. Yep, that looks okay. Okay, so I'm going to publish this. Okay, and then it comes over to the end. I can customize the timeline post. Okay, so I can put a picture in there. Do you use Facebook too? and so on, or I can just literally leave it here, add the poll to your Facebook page, post the poll in your timeline. So we can do loads of different things here. So I'm not going to customize it anymore. I quite like it to there. So I am going to add it to my Facebook page. Continuous Teresa Moran. Yes, continuous Teresa Moran. I'm going to paste it to this page. Click on next. Show a list of the pages you manage. Read content. I'm just going to leave all of that as yes. And now I've linked the poll to Facebook. Add it to a Facebook page, and I'm going to add it to my page. So I keep going until I get to the end and it is added to my page. Okay, right, and here's my Facebook poll, and it is added to the page. So that's how you create a poll using that little app. It's installing on my page, and I'm going to ask you guys again to go back in and complete that, and then I'll be able to look at my returns for the poll. So as a task for you guys, what I would like you to do over the weekend is create a poll and throw it out to all of us. Okay, so that's it. I mean, I can come back in here then and I can create another poll and another poll and another poll by just clicking on this link here. And I don't think Facebook charges me for the polls, but it's a bit like the survey.monkey that Marie sent you earlier on today. Okay, so the poll is installed in the page. Lovely. Share the poll with your fans by writing a post on your page timeline. Paste this URL in at the end of your post. Excellent. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to write about it on my page timeline. Okay, write something to Teresa Moran Training. Please complete this survey or this poll. Okay, add to my post. I'm not going to boost it because if I boost it, I'm going to have to pay for it. Okay, and you should see that coming up at some point. Okay, please complete this poll. And then I never clicked on the link. So I'm going to have to paste the link in here. Yeah. Okay. So I might just create another post and do it again. Okay, so I'm going to create another post. Please complete this poll. Paste it in. And post it. Okay, and there you go. There's the poll. I click on it, and then all I need to do is answer the questions. So I'm going to answer the questions. Do you connect with friends on Facebook? Yes, I do. Is Facebook your first choice of connection with friends? Yes. What social media apps do I use? I use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. And there's no other. Okay, and Bebo's a joke. If you still use Bebo, you're too old to be on Facebook. Have you got a business? No. Have you got a business page? Yes. So I should have a business actually. So I'm just going to pretend I have. Yes, yes. And would you like some help developing your business page into your email? If your answer is yes, so I will put in my email here. And please like our Facebook page, it's already liked. And then click on send. Okay, so you create a poll asking 2 to 3 questions. You can recreate this one if you want. It doesn't really matter, but make sure that you create the poll and that you put it up on your business page and that everybody can see it. So we need to have this done for Monday at 10 o'clock, that everybody creates a poll and they like each other's poll, that they answer the questions, and then we've got something to look at for digital marketing on Tuesday. Now that's in addition to you all connecting to each other's Facebook pages and doing your Instagram posts. So let's put a bit of work in this now tomorrow. Okay, thank you.